Beached as Unraveling Kiwi Slang. Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we're going to dive into a phrase that might leave you puzzled if you're not from New Zealand. Beached as. It's a piece of Kiwi slang that has made its way across the ocean. And today, we'll explore what it means, how it's used, and the context behind it. So if you're ready to expand your English slang vocabulary and have a bit of fun along the way, let's get started. Beached as is a slang term that originated in New Zealand. It became famous through a humorous animated video where a whale finds itself stranded on a beach and uses the phrase. The term, as, is a common addition in Kiwi slang, used after an adjective to emphasize a particular quality, similar to adding very or really in standard English. The phrase beached as doesn't just mean something is on the beach. In Kiwi slang, when something is beached as, it's utterly stranded or stuck, with a subtle implication that there's no easy way out. It's often used in a light-hearted or jovial manner, typically not to describe actual dire situations. You might use beached as to describe being stuck in an uncomfortable situation, like sitting in a cramped seat. I'm beached as in this tiny airplane seat. Or it could be used to humorously express a feeling of fullness after eating a large meal. After that huge lunch, I'm beached as. Remember, it's a casual phrase, so it's best used in informal settings. Understanding slang like beached as is about more than just the words. It's about getting a glimpse into Kiwi culture. New Zealanders are known for their laid-back, friendly approach to life, and their slang often reflects this. Using beached as correctly can show an appreciation for New Zealand's language and culture and can be a fun way to connect with Kiwis. And there you have it, a quick guide to the Kiwi phrase, beached as. We hope you enjoyed this linguistic journey to the shores of New Zealand. Slang is a fantastic window into the culture of a place. And by using phrases like beached as, you can add a bit of Kiwi flair to your English conversations. Until our next video, stay curious and keep learning.